What's up, guys? It's your boy Jose Zuniga, and for today we're going to be going over the top 9 most common men's style mistakes that even to this day people keep on doing. To me, it seems like it's common knowledge, but it doesn't matter. Every time I go out to a crowded event or wherever there's a lot of guys, you always see and nitpick all these mistakes that guys keep on making that it's just destroying their style. And I don't want you to be that guy ever. So today we're gonna go over them so you learn how to avoid them. Number 1. Bulging or printing on your clothing. There's 2 things nobody wants to see, especially when it comes to your pants. Nobody wants to see your rooster or your wallet. When it comes to creating stylish outfits, you want a stylish silhouette that's just uninterrupted. Any type of interruptions into your silhouette, it's almost always going to be a mistake. So to avoid this, obviously the best route is to wear clothes that actually fits and is not skin tight, because anything you add to that will always print. Number 2, when your shirt cuff is not showing. If you're wearing a suit jacket, you need to know that you need to show at least a 1/4 to a 1/2 inch of your shirt cuff. If none is showing, it's gonna be too short, make it seem like that shirt was not even made for you, and also a clear sign that you don't even know what you're doing. The 3rd style mistake I see all the time is guys still wearing shoes that are subpar. Don't be the guy that's wearing Skechers dress shoes as their dressy alternative. And no, you don't have to spend hundreds of dollars on dress shoes. You could probably find a good pair under $100 that looks 10 times more decent than that. But so many guys only care about their outfit and never put emphasis on their shoes, when the reality is women, they actually look at your shoes, because that will tell them a lot about who you are and what status you're at. Number 4, a loose shirt collar. You tend to see this so many times, especially in corporate scenarios, whether you're at an office or in a convention. You'll see so many men wearing dress shirts that don't fit them properly, and a clear indicator of that is their loose neck collar. Whether it's buttoned or unbuttoned, it's almost clear that that shirt does not fit him, or it wasn't made properly for him. This is why I freaking love Tailor Store, and why a lot of my dress shirts are custom made from this brand. Tailor Store is a sponsor of our show, and I absolutely love it for that, because honestly, they're one of the top guys when it comes to producing custom online made-to-measure shirts. If all you've ever done is experience off-the-rack dress shirts, you're missing out. And also probably one of the biggest reasons why you're falling into a lot of these mistakes, because these off-the-rack shirts are made for the masses and not for your own body shape. And even cooler, they have a new app. Right now, the Tailor Store has an app that makes custom made to measure even easier. Before, you had to measure your body, your chest, your arm length, and all that, input the measurements, and you would receive a custom made to measure shirt. Now they've turned that whole process into seconds. It's so freaking easy that all you have to do is download the app. There's gonna be a link down below so you guys can download it and try it out yourself. Once you download the app, you literally just put your phone up against the wall. It'll show you how to tilt it exactly, and then it's gonna take pictures of your body and tell you how to stand. And then within the app, you can choose what shirt fabric you want. You can custom design your shirt and then place the order. That's it. Just from those pictures alone, their mathematical algorithm can figure out your body measurements and deliver to your door a almost nearly perfectly fitting shirt without you even having to use a measuring tape or measuring yourself at all, within seconds. Personally, this is the first brand that I've tried out that has this feature, and I think it's genius, because one of the hardest parts with custom clothing is knowing how to measure yourself. Now, you can do it within seconds. So, if you guys want to check out the Tailor Store and check out this really crazy app, like I said, you can go ahead, download it, and try it out, see how cool it is, and design a whole shirt for yourself. Talking about dress shirts, the 5th thing that I see so many guys doing is buttoning up too many buttons. Guys, man cleavage, it's sexy. Girls love seeing a little bit of man cleavage, so why would you restrict that for them? Because when you button yourself up, that's exactly what you look like. You just look constricted and uptight. The 6th mistake I see so many guys still doing to this day is going for quantity over quality. So many guys are completely okay going to H&M, dropping hundreds of dollars every season, knowing full well that that clothing just doesn't last long. Don't get blinded by instant gratification. So if you know you're gonna be wearing dark colored jeans all the time, it's probably a good idea to go with a higher quality brand like APC that you know it's gonna last you years and actually look better as you wear them, instead of having to buy new jeans every year. The 7th mistake I still see to this day is trousers or chinos that are just too long. This includes denim as well. You still see so many guys out there with their trousers just completely engulfing their shoes and making them look short. Like I said previously, when you're creating fits, you want a sleek silhouette. Any type of interruption, it looks bad to the eye. So when you have tons of breaks down there, you're literally just shortening your leg length and telling everybody you definitely don't know what you're doing. Number 8, a classic one, a visible undershirt. So many guys still to this day will wear a crew neck white undershirt underneath a dress shirt. So every time you unbutton your shirt, you see that visible undershirt underneath. That is distracting, and especially when you're wearing dress shirts that you're trying to look dressy, just makes the shirt look tacky and cheap. Even if the dress shirt is a $200 dress shirt, that undershirt just cheapened. Finally, number 9, untucked dress shirt. You know the guy. He's going out clubbing tonight, he's feeling good, or he needs to dress up. So all he'll do is replace his baggy t-shirt for an oversized dress shirt, button it up, and instantly, he thinks he looks like $1 million. Newsflash, adding a baggy dress shirt doesn't actually dressing up your appearance, and again, it really just makes you look tacky. When you wear a dress shirt, not only does it need to be fitted, it also needs to be tucked in. If any dress shirt goes past your butt, that means it's a dress shirt and it's meant to be worn tucked in. Whenever you wear it untucked, you just look tacky and definitely signal to everyone that you don't know what you're doing. And that's basically it for today's video, guys. Those are the 9 most common style mistakes that I still, to this day, still see guys doing. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Taylor Store. They're gonna be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.